In the small town of Buttersville, where the roads were paved with breadcrumbs and the air always smelled like freshly baked goods, lived a young girl named Mia. Mia had a vivid imagination, along with limbs made entirely of spaghetti. While this had made playing dodgeball a bit of a mess, she had one exceptional talent: the creation of the world's greatest sandwiches. Mia's sandwiches were legendary, towering structures of ham, cheese, and every condiment known to humankind. One fateful Tuesday, a new challenger arrived in Buttersville. This was no ordinary challenger but a robot named Slicetron 3000, designed explicitly for one purpose: to make the perfect sandwich. Slicetron 3000 was a gleaming metal monstrosity with rotating blades and condiment dispensers that could whip up a sandwich in a nanosecond. It didn't do small talk, but its circuitry was set on one clear objective: beat Mia at her own game. Mia, red-headed, brave as they come, and always ready for a culinary duel, accepted Slicetron 3000's challenge. The contest would take place in the town square. Judges included the three most excellent palates in Buttersville: the mayor, who boasted taste buds insured for $1 million, Chef Morty, who had once beaten Gordon Ramsay in a chili cook-off, and Mrs. Fluffkins, a cat with an uncanny ability to distinguish between Swiss and Emmental cheese. When the grand day arrived, the whole town gathered to witness the Sandwich Showdown. Slicetron 3000 buzzed with metallic confidence, whipping up an intricate BLT within moments and garnishing it with a precision that left the crowd in awe. But Mia was undeterred. With a twinkle in her eye, she began constructing a colossal triple-decker club sandwich stacked so high it could have doubled as an apartment complex. She added her secret ingredient: a splash of rainbow sauce that delighted the senses and tasted like summer. As the judges tasted, the tension was thick enough to slice with a butter knife. Slicetron 3000's masterpiece was indeed perfect. Every element was technically flawless. But the judges had to admit, Mia's sandwich had something no robot could recreate: a special flavor of heart, soul, and a sprinkling of imagination. The crowd erupted in cheers as Mia was declared the winner. Slicetron 3000, in a rare moment of robotic humility, beeped an acknowledgement and rolled away, perhaps to explore new recipes. Mia, with a grin as wide as a watermelon slice, had not just made the best sandwich but had also shown that a dash of bravery and a sprinkle of imagination could outdo even the most advanced technology. The town of Buttersville celebrated with a feast, and Mia's sandwiches became even more legendary, proving that sometimes the bravest battles are fought with love, creativity, and a very, very good sandwich.